In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an Excel file as a PDF document. Whether you're looking to share a document without allowing further edits or ensuring your file can be viewed on any device, converting your Excel files into PDFs is a smart move. So let's dive straight into the process and make this task as easy as pie. First things first, you'll want to head over to the free Microsoft 365 online suite. Now, for those who might not be familiar, this is essentially the online version of the popular Microsoft Office package, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It allows you to use these applications directly in your web browser without having to install anything. Pretty convenient, right? Once you're on the Microsoft 365 homepage, look for the Sign In button and click on it. If you've used any Microsoft services before, like Outlook or Skype, then the email you use for those services should work here too. Proceed to enter your email when prompted. This step is pretty self-explanatory, but essential for accessing Microsoft's online services. After typing your email, hit the next button to proceed. You'll then usually be asked for your password or to verify your identity through a second security step, depending on your account settings. With the login process out of the way, it's time to zero in on the specific Excel file you want to convert to PDF. If you've previously stored documents in Microsoft's cloud storage, OneDrive, navigating to these files should be quite straightforward. Find the Excel document you wish to convert and open it. The beauty of Excel Online is its similarity to its desktop counterpart, making it very user-friendly. Once your file is open and you've ensured that everything looks good, click on the File tab in the upper left corner. This is your gateway to a variety of options related to your document. For our purposes, you'll want to hover your mouse over Export. This action will reveal several options for manipulating your file, but the one we're interested in is Download as PDF. It's a straightforward choice. Click on it and Excel will prepare your document for download as a PDF file. The process is generally quick, but the time it takes can vary depending on the size and complexity of your Excel file. Once Excel has finished converting the file, it will automatically download to your device, typically to the default download folder set by your web browser. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your Excel document into a PDF, ready for sharing or storing as needed. This PDF file can now be easily accessed across a wide range of devices, ensuring your document is viewed precisely as you intended, without unwanted edits or formatting issues. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of quick tips. Remember that once converted to PDF, any formulas or dynamic content from Excel will become static. They'll still display the correct information, but you won't be able to interact with them as you would in Excel. If you expect to need to update your data, consider keeping both Excel and PDF versions of your document. Also, take advantage of the cloud storage provided by OneDrive. It's not just great for accessing your files from anywhere, but also for sharing documents with colleagues or friends without the hassle of emailing large attachments. That's all for today's tutorial on how to save an Excel file as a PDF. Whether you're preparing a report for work, submitting an assignment for school, or sharing financial spreadsheets, converting your files to PDF ensures your documents remain intact and accessible no matter where you're viewing them from. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful guides.